Have you ever paused for a moment to ponder the importance of water in our lives, or perhaps the enigma of its global circulation? Every drop of water we consume has a story to tell, a journey it has embarked upon. This is a tale of constant movement and transformation, of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and more. This tale, my friends, is the story of the hydrological cycle and global water circulation. Imagine, if you will, an invisible dance of water particles. It begins with the sun, our radiant star, heating the water bodies on Earth. This causes water to transform into vapor in a process we call evaporation. The water vapor, lighter than air, ascends into the atmosphere, bidding its temporary farewell to the Earth's surface. As this water vapor rises, it encounters cooler atmospheric temperatures. This causes it to transform again, this time condensing into tiny droplets, forming clouds. This process, quite aptly, is known as condensation. These droplets then join forces, growing larger and heavier until gravity pulls them back down to Earth. This return journey is what we commonly refer to as precipitation. It can manifest in various forms: a gentle drizzle, a torrential downpour, or a serene snowfall. But what about the water that falls on land? Well, some of it seeps into the ground, replenishing underground reservoirs in a process known as infiltration. Some of it, however, returns to the rivers, lakes, and oceans through surface runoff. This runoff, coupled with the water that directly falls back into the oceans, completes the grand loop of our hydrological cycle. However, this is not the end of the story. Within the vast oceans, there exists another, more complex dance. This is the dance of global water circulation. Here, currents, driven by the winds, the Earth's rotation, and differences in water density, move the water around our blue planet. Warm water from the equator travels towards the poles, while cold water from the poles heads towards the equator. This constant movement of water helps distribute heat around the globe, playing a pivotal role in our planet's climate. So, you see, every drop of water that quenches our thirst, every raindrop that nurtures our crops, has been on an incredible journey. It's the story of the hydrological cycle, a ballet of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation that replenishes our freshwater supplies. It's also the story of global water circulation, the vast ocean currents that regulate our climate. Together, they ensure the continual supply and movement of life's most essential resource, water. Remember, the next time you enjoy a glass of water or stand in the rain, you're part of a grand global process that has been ongoing for billions of years. So here's to the hydrological cycle and global water circulation, the unsung heroes of our existence.